Hi guys, I am using Brown's gas machine. This is for good uh, body repair. If you have pain, if you have muscle pain, or if you have lots of medical conditions, I am recommending you to use Brown's gas machine. It's a little expensive, but I think you can buy tablets. This is called hydrogen tablet, or you can buy tumbler with hydrogen tumbler. Actually guys, yesterday I had really I was suffering back pain, and then the here left neck or my left arm, it really hurt. So I decided to borrow this Brown's gas machine from a friend, and yesterday at in the afternoon I spent 2 hours breathing, 2 hours breathing, and then after dinner I spent 2 hours breathing again, and then when I woke up this morning I also breathed 1 hour, and then I think so right now I am breathing for an hour also, and I cannot feel the pain. I don't know what. Maybe I will update you tomorrow because I'm going to return this machine. I'm going to update you tomorrow guys if I still have the pain in my back or my neck. So I will show you this one is the tube here, and then this is the time I get 560 out, and then this is the time. So this is the water here that transport oxygen to the tube. So right now I am recharging. So I'm going to update again if what happened for tomorrow, because I can't use this again tomorrow. So I will update tomorrow if how's my condition again. Okay guys, thank you for watching my vlog about Brown's gas machine. Bye bye.